Hey everybody, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. Just want to give you a little information about our new series of cheat sheets that we've designed for each of the sets or a trade in particular. And this one is for the architectural set. And so it's for newbies that, want to, as they navigate through the sets of plans, they want to have an idea of what they're looking at. So this will help you a lot. Plan, scale, and symbols, okay, wall types and assemblies, door and window schedules, room finishes, gives you examples of what you will see on the plans and how to make good sense of all of it. Elevations and sections, kind of pretty much the hardest thing that a new person has to get their mind wrapped around when you are trying to make sense of a 3D thing, right, on a piece of paper or from a piece of paper. So this was designed just to help you navigate through the architectural set. I want you to reach out to me at education at sfjohnsonconsulting.com with any recommendations you may have, anything, any problems you may have encountered using this. We hope not. And but you never know. I've created a million of these this year and I've done pretty good with the testing. But please let me know how we can make it better if it does apply to you and really how we can make it better. Anything I give for free, I want you to be able to use it and use it well. All right. So many ways to learn at the very top, all the different things that I provide. You can just click on any of them, go take a look, even there. That's been pretty challenging this year, but it's sure been a lot of fun. And also, there's $100 off coupon you can download and just save it and send it to me. You'll get $100 off on any of the classes that I teach or the workshop. So take a look. We have a full array of cheat sheets that we've created for each of the trades. So take a look at any of them, take a look at all of them. And you can reach that by going to sfjohnsonconsulting.com, upper left, and enjoy yourself. And again, reach out education at sfjohnsonconsulting.com or here, let me know what you think and any recommendations that you may need. And I can help. See you soon.